I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a lake with watercolor. First, gather your essential supplies like watercolor paints, various brushes, and quality paper. Next, select a compelling reference photo to guide your composition and color choices. Finally, set up your workspace with fresh water and paper towels, ensuring everything is within easy reach for a smooth painting process. This preparation is key for a successful watercolor experience. Now, let's begin by laying down the initial washes. Start with a very light, even wash for the sky, allowing it to dry slightly. Then, introduce a slightly darker, muted wash for any distant hills or landforms, creating depth. For the water, use broad, horizontal strokes with a light blue or green, letting the colors blend softly. This establishes the foundational tones for your lake scene. Next, we'll add reflections and crucial details to bring your lake to life. Paint the reflections of trees and the sky directly into the water, using slightly broken vertical strokes. Introduce darker tones for shadows and subtle ripples on the water's surface, especially near the edges. Finally, add small details like rocks, reeds, or a distant boat to enhance realism and visual interest. For the final touches, step back and assess your painting. Refine any edges that need sharpening and deepen colors in areas that require more impact or contrast. Ensure your overall composition feels balanced and harmonious. Remember, practice is key to mastering watercolor. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to a great smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Keep experimenting and enjoy your artistic journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.